Norway is a country located in Northern Europe, in the Scandinavian region. It borders the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Norwegian Sea and the North Sea to the west, Sweden to the east, and Denmark to the south. The official language is Norwegian, and the capital city is Oslo. Norway experiences a wide variety of climates due to its extensive territory and geographic location. It can be generally divided into three main climate zones: the oceanic climate on the southwest coast, with mild winters and cool summers, the continental climate, with colder winters and warmer summers, and the Arctic climate in the north, where long and cold winters with the presence of the northern lights alternate with short and cool summers. Norway is renowned for its natural landscapes, with Norwegian fjords being famous worldwide. These long, narrow sea inlets surrounded by high mountains create spectacular scenery, and some are designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Scandinavian mountain range, known as the Scandinavian Alps, traverses the country alongside impressive glaciers. In the northern regions, the northern lights can be observed during clear winter nights. The Norwegian coast is dotted with numerous islands and islets featuring picturesque fishing villages and incredible landscapes. The history of Norway dates back to the Viking era and has experienced periods of union and separation with Denmark and Sweden until gaining independence in 1905. Norwegian cultural heritage is reflected in its connection with nature, literature, and artisan traditions. Norwegian traditions and customs have deep roots in outdoor life, with activities such as hiking and skiing playing a significant role. Fishing and navigation have also been fundamental to the culture. Norway celebrates its National Day on May 17, marked by parades and patriotic events commemorating the signing of the Constitution in 1814. The winter solstice is essential, with light festivals and traditions associated with the Christmas season. In the north, the Northern Lights are a reason for unique festivals and celebrations as well. Norwegian cuisine features a variety of traditional dishes reflecting its natural environment and local culinary practices. Salmon is a fundamental part of the Norwegian diet, and rakfisk, fermented fish, is a local delicacy, though not suitable for all tastes. With a population of around 6 million inhabitants, Norway boasts a demographic characterized by a high quality of life, a high life expectancy, and a literacy rate close to 100%. Moreover, Norway is known for having one of the highest female labor force participation rates globally. Norwegian society values equal opportunities and has an extensive social safety net covering healthcare, education, and other services. The country also stands out for its low crime rate and high welfare standards. Community structure in Norway often revolves around participation in outdoor activities and local community life. The relationship with nature is essential in Norwegian culture, and communities tend to foster a sense of responsibility toward the environment. The official currency of Norway is the Norwegian krone, and the country's financial system is modern and efficient. Norway has maintained stable economic policies with a focus on sustainability and economic diversification, being well known for being one of the leading producers of oil and gas in Europe. Fishing has traditionally been a significant industry in Norway, being one of the largest exporters of seafood, including salmon and cod. Norway also has a robust maritime industry, including shipbuilding and shipping, and has invested considerably in renewable energies such as hydroelectric power. Norway's transportation infrastructure is advanced and well-developed, facilitating mobility within the country. It has an extensive network of high-quality roads connecting cities and regions, numerous tunnels and bridges, as well as an efficient railway system linking many important cities. Additionally, it has several international and domestic airports facilitating long-distance travel. Norway is a parliamentary constitutional monarchy, with a king as the head of state, though political power is vested in a democratically elected parliament. The king's role is largely ceremonial and symbolic. The parliament is the main legislative body and plays a central role in political decision-making. Norway maintains an active foreign policy and has diplomatic relations with numerous countries. It is a member of the European Free Trade Association (EFTA), but is not part of the European Union. Additionally, Norway is a member of NATO and participates in international peacekeeping missions and humanitarian aid efforts. Historically, Norway has been an advocate for multilateralism, human rights, and peaceful conflict resolution. Its prosperous economy, along with its commitment to sustainability and international cooperation, gives it a prominent position on the global stage. The quality of healthcare in Norway is high, and the country is known for its modern medical facilities and focus on disease prevention. The Norwegian government also invests in medical research and continuous improvement of healthcare services. Norway offers its residents a lifestyle centered around equality and connection with nature. Its education and healthcare systems reflect the country's commitment to well-being and fairness. And thus, we conclude our virtual journey through the wonderful Norway. From the majestic fjords to picturesque cities, this country offers a unique experience that combines rich history, stunning nature, and a lifestyle that celebrates equality and connection to the land. Pack your bags and come explore this spectacular corner of Northern Europe. Until next time.